What's up, guys? Right now we're going to the beach tonight.
Woohoo! Night beach. Such a round. Oh, wait, hold up.
This is my friend, guys, Journey. Almost like cousins, pretty much we are.
Yeah, and that's my sister. We're not twins because I look way better than now.
Janaya, that's Janaya.
Guess no period. Yeah, we're just on our way to the beach.
Daytona Beach.
Here we go.
Yes, sir. We're gonna have a campfire.
Yeah. I should have brought my lantern.
That would be good, actually.
Yeah, it really would have. Dang. It's okay because we're gonna have a little fire going.
Yeah, we're gonna be out there just.
We're gonna have a little fire.
Really not for sure.
My phone fell, but it's whatever. Yeah. Matt is drinking and driving. You've seen it here first.
Listen, this is beer, okay? It's not drinking and
It's
driving.
root beer. It's
It's
not
root beer. What?
It's non-alcoholic.
It's not alcoholic. No, trust me. I'm not that type of person. Sometimes. Woo, let's go.
I don't believe in drinking and driving. I actually don't believe in drinking. I socially drink. Or
Me
like,
too.
or
I do too as well. I socially drink, but
really, I don't even drink for fun. Really, the only times I drink is like after a long day of work and I'm tired and I deserved it and somebody pissed me off. Not even that, or like at a party.
that's about it. So we'll see you at the beach. Peace out. We're out at the beach.